Silong Rasbari Tugai Kiba Thawongbu MPCC ki President Kaisam Meghasandra Manipur ki Puwari Muthatnaba Hotnabani Haina Phongturakli ngasi Congress Bhavan da Pangthokkiba Mifam amada mahakna hai double engine government na Manipur ki Puwari Muthatnaba Hotnare haibasi mayek sengle maramdi kumjali singaniga kulhumdoi gi August thada MS Maitai Construction Private Limited ta Planning and Development Authority na Silong da Puwari ga sagonaduna leiriba Rasbari semjinbagi work order piki madugi matungda chahi Anirom Tabak Amata Paikatana Laiki, Adubu Ikang Kangodana Art and Culture Amadi Archaeology Department ka Karimata Taklamdana, Machet Ama Fauba Lokat Payadana, Rasbari Tugai Kiba Thawongasina, Puwari Muthatna Bahotna Bagitawongi, Amadi Matamaduda Wak Order P Kiba Official Singh Matamadugi Chief Minister Amadi Minister MLA Singna Rasbari Tugai Bagi Responsibility Pumba Logadabani Haina Mahakna Makataki.
Masi demolition taukiba amadi tongan civil society organization atai political party nam masi Manipur ki itihas ki period ama laidi double engine lenga kasigi makhada mangan kai Yamna Ariba 1949 da Nahadagi women migrants in Kawan civil society organization mayam masisi amna numai ta prasu pului Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee ki site ki su nam numai ta photo chari sigumba karigumba sarkar ki decision Amatta Yaudana Lenga Kasigi Makhada Contract Wakrat Tawna Bukidamata Hector Yam Ityasik Weba Historic Manipur Rasbari and Sino Lenga Kasigi Double International Tugaiki Masi and the Mighty Masi Damata Condemn Tawjari Masi Aigui Manipuri Ityaski Tank Mabuta there Adumasi Tauri basi kanan no, hai bata. Mahut department ki makhat laiba. PD Planning and Development Authority hari ko work agency sina tauri basi. Amadan tu da masi destruction tau kogi cabinet decision 2023 the law given laibra double engine government na